Welcome to Section 3, Expose and Secure Weak System Passwords. Let's have a look at plain text passwords. On plain passwords, a very nice exploit to use is the psexec, or pass the hash exploit in Metasploit. The nice thing about this is it allows you to enter the password yourself, or you can simply just specify the hash and you don't need to crack it in order to access the system. Now, bear in mind that this doesn't work on every single system, but let me show you what I mean. Start up Metasploit and let's get going. The very first thing that you want to do is obviously start up Metasploit service, which is going to be service PostgreSQL start. Remember that you can run a status afterwards just to make sure that it is actually started up. From there, you're going to type MSF console and wait for Metasploit to start up. Once started up, I want you to go and run a search on psexec, and there you will find all your exploits. Select your Windows SMB psexec, say use, copy the exploit and enter. From there, go and have a look at the options and fill in the set rhost, which is the machine that you want to attack. Once that is done, I want you to go and set the SMB user, and I'm going to set mine to administrator. And then we're just going to simply set the SMB password, which is the password that we have selected ourselves, and exploit. Once that is done, the interpreter will open up and, well, you can do whatever it is you want to do. Have fun, guys, and please don't use this stupidly.